Welcome to the All Indonesia application tutorial video. All Indonesia is the only official arrival declaration system application that simplifies the entire process of entering Indonesia, from immigration reporting, customs, health, to quarantine. Everything is integrated into one mobile and web-based system. Step 1. Account registration. If you want to fill in through the All Indonesia website, please visit the site allindonesia.immigration.co.id without registering an account. If you want to fill in through the All Indonesia application, please register to create a new account. Fill out the registration form with your personal data and create a strong password to protect your account. After filling out the registration form, verify your account email by entering the OTP sent to the registered email. Once the account is successfully created, click the Login to Homepage button to go to the login page of the application. Step 2. Log in to your account. Use the account you just created to log in. Select Login and enter the username and password that have been registered. Step 3. Declaration stage. Please select your nationality, Indonesian citizen or foreign citizen. You will be asked to fill out your user profile, which can be done by scanning your passport page using the MRZ scan feature or by entering the data manually. Please complete the declaration form available, including immigration, health, customs, and quarantine. Step 4. Submission completed. The system will process your request, and the arrival card will be displayed in the form of a QR code. You can download and save the QR code as proof of your arrival registration. Thank you for using the All Indonesia application. Your arrival process is now faster, safer, and easier. Don't forget to download the All Indonesia application and start using this service for a more convenient trip to Indonesia.